Let's write our first Karel program. Let's assume the initial world looks like this. Okay? Karel is standing on the corner of the first street and the first avenue here. And let's just say Karel stands on the coordinates 1, 1. A beeper is at the coordinates 2, 1. And we also have some walls here. What we want to do is to write a program so that Karel picks up a beeper, this one, and drops it at the coordinates 4, 2 here, and finishes work at coordinates 5, 2. So here. Basically, we want the program that changes this initial world to this world with beeper here and Karel here. Let's go ahead and write it here. Let's think, what are the commands we have to tell Karel to accomplish all this? Clearly, first command would be to move. So Karel will move one step forward and will be on top of the beeper. We can pick beeper and move. Karel will be on the 3, 1 coordinates, basically here, facing the wall. And we would like Karel to jump over the wall, but Karel knows nothing about jumping. But what Karel knows is how to turn left. So Karel will be on the same corner, but facing north. So we could move up, and Karel will be at coordinates 3, 2, facing north. And ideally, we would have it turn right, but Karel doesn't have that command. So what we could do instead is to instruct Karel to turn left, but 3 times, right? So turning left 3 times will be like Karel was facing north, and it will be facing this direction. Then will be facing this direction, and at the end Karel will be facing east, which means it's basically turning right. Then we could move. Then we could put beeper and move again. So Karel will land at coordinates 5, 2. So that's it. But wait, what we have here is not a program. It's an algorithm, a set of instructions that is understandable for a human, but not for a computer or for Karel. To create a program, we must transform these commands into functions. And functions are something computers can understand. It's really easy. So what we have to do is write open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and semicolon. But we should write it for each command, at the end of each command. Basically, I'm just copying and pasting them. And now what we have is a program that could run and accomplish what we wanted to accomplish. What you have to know here is that each symbol is very important, and function names are exactly as written. For example, peak beeper comes with smaller p, and so those symbols are small, and b is the capital one. So, and it should be written this way and not any other way. So that's it. Now let's run the program and see the results ourselves. So yeah, Karel picked the beeper, put in the correct corner, and finished work.